Look. Hand in. Choke all the way up. You don't want no space. You want to choke up. Finger trigger straight. Just so y'all know, empty. It is empty. I just want to show y'all real quick. I should have did that at the beginning, but we 2 minutes in and I just did it. Choke up. When I say choke up, I mean no space under the back. So ladies just like choking your boyfriend. He come home, you see him been cheating on you or something. You gotta choke that man. You gonna put your hand on his neck and squeeze that thing. Same thing for